What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your TikTok account, of course. So after you open your TikTok account, you want to click by the way, guys, I am about to show you how to get 1000 TikTok followers in 1 minute. So if the method that I'm about to show you now doesn't work, I am going to show you how to get 1000 followers. So this must work for you. So let's get started right now. Let me show you guys the first method on how to start a live without 1000 followers. So let's get started right now. So at the three little lines at the top right corner, just click it and then click settings and privacy, and then click just scroll down until you see here report a problem. Just click report a problem, and then here click I can't start a live. Just click I can't start a live, and after that they are going to say like, is your problem resolved, something like that. Just click no, and then you want to click need more help. So when you click need more help, just type here, hi, I can't start a live, please fix this. I used to go live but now I could not go live. So this is exactly what you want to type in. It doesn't matter if you type the same thing. You can just say I can't start a live, please fix this. Doesn't matter. And click done, and then click report. So when you click report, you are gonna wait 24 hours, and then TikTok is going 48 hours or 24 hours, it depends, and TikTok is going to go back, and then TikTok is going to text you, hi, now you can go live, and then you can start a live. But if you can't wait 24 hours or 48 hours, click in the video in the screen right now, and then you will learn exactly how to get 1000 followers in just 1 minute. So, and then you can go live right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Have a good day. Like I said, just click the video in the screen right now, and then you will